In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your installed apps in Shopify, whether you're maintaining an online business or just managing your own store. Having a clear understanding of your installed apps is crucial for seamless business operation. Let's walk through this step-by-step process together to make things as clear and easy as possible. First, we're going to start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard, which is essentially the control center for your store. You'll do this by logging into your Shopify account at shopify.com and accessing My Store from the homepage. Once you're in, you'll see various options on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation area. Now, let's move on to the next step, locating the Settings option. This is typically found at the bottom of the navigation menu. Click on Settings to access various configurations you can make for your store. Here's where we begin to dive deeper into the specifics of managing your apps. Once in the Settings menu, look for the section titled Apps and Sales Channels. This area is vital as it houses all the applications and sales channels that are currently connected to your Shopify store. Clicking on this section will provide you with further insights and options related to the apps. At this point, you should see a few tabs or options, one of which will be titled Installed. Click on Installed to view a list of all the applications currently installed and active on your Shopify store. This list is essential for keeping track of all the tools and integrations you are using to enhance your store's functionality. Take a moment to review these apps, ensuring they are up to date and relevant to your needs. It's a helpful habit to regularly monitor this list as it assists in maintaining an organized and efficient setup. Next, let's look at another important tab, Uninstalled. Clicking on Uninstalled will show you any apps that you have previously removed. While these are no longer active, keeping an eye on what has been uninstalled can be beneficial, especially if you ever need to reassess or reinstall a particular app in the future. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide on how to check your installed apps in Shopify. This process is a fantastic way to ensure that your store is running smoothly and utilizing the best tools available for your business needs. By routinely checking in on your apps, you can maximize your store's potential and keep everything running like a well-oiled machine. Thank you for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks in managing your Shopify store. Happy selling!